Today I'm showing you these new color glow lights from Brightology. There's 4 of them inside this box that are solar powered that don't need any wires. So we're going to open up this box and take a look and see what's inside. We'll get rid of this little free gift and those instructions. Maybe check those out later. Looks like some anchors inside, and here's one of the lights. Get this out of the bag. And you can see there's a solar panel that's right on top that provides the power to it. A little on-off button in the back, and it has a photo cell that turns it on and off automatically. And it goes through 7 different colors along with a changing light mode as well. So we'll go ahead and continue and get these out of the box, and then we'll take them outside so we can get them mounted and set up. So inside the box, here's our 4 lights. Then we got our mounting brackets as well and some screws. Now we're going to need to set these outside for at least 6 hours to 8 hours to get them fully charged up, and we'll go ahead and get the brackets installed. I'm going to go ahead and put them on the side of my fence here, and I'm going to space them out about 3 feet apart, and then we'll kind of see how well that works. You may need to do it different where you are, but it's really just this little mounting bracket. That's all you need, plus the screws. We're going to use this new Greenworks drill that's 24 volts they sent out to us, so thanks for that. And now we'll go ahead and get these brackets installed. We're going to use this little screw guide. This basically helps you get the screws started a little bit easier to get the bracket mounted. And you can see that's all there is 1, 2 screws. We'll take our light, we'll slide it right on the bracket, and there you go. That's basically all there is to it. And so I'm going to go ahead and continue marking these out 3 feet. And then I'll go ahead and install each one of these brackets, and I'm going to kind of taper it down the line of my fence because that's kind of how my wall goes. And then there you can see all those are installed. And while I'm here, I'm going to take one of these extra lights and install it over on my storage shed because I don't have any light over there at night, so we'll see how that looks as well. Now you can see that this is installed. I have plenty of light that'll get up on top of that little solar panel so it can be charged up, and we'll take a look at that in a little while. And here's where I installed the other lights. I installed these ones a little bit higher just to see what it'll look like. And then while I was here, I actually found a place I could mount one on my trailer. So now that it's completely dark out, you can see there's no lights back here at all. It's completely dark. All you can see is my neighbor's lights. So we'll go ahead and turn these on. And now look. Boom, there it is. Now you can see, look at all this lighting that these lights are providing. And these are just solar lights that don't need any wiring or anything. And that's why they're so nice to have, because they mount in literally 15 to 20 minutes. And look how bright they are. These things illuminate the sides of the fence and the rocks and the rock wall and the backyard really well. And not only that, you can change the lighting to all kinds of colors. Like say you want to go red, or we have a green as well. You could do the blue. They also have yellow. Check out the violet, and then they also have a turquoise as well, or maybe a party scene. There you go. You can get all of these flashing into different colors, or if you want to slow it down a little bit, then you can kind of put them into a fade where the lights slowly fade into each color. That way you kind of get a different effect, and that's another reason why these lights are so cool, because of all the options, and you can switch them back to white. And not to mention, let's take a look at that shed. This is just one light that's lighting up the shed, so it provides plenty of light now so I can actually see what's going on out there when I need to get to that shed during the winter months and it's dark. And not to mention the RV is actually lit up, and now this gives me all kinds of other ideas. So I hope you guys like this video with the lights from colorglow, and be sure to smash that like button for me and subscribe. And until then, I hope to see you guys next time.